I'm Chris Bennett, Chief Learning Officer here at Blockchain Training Alliance. And if you're watching this video, you're probably interested in learning more about blockchain, how it works, and most importantly, the impact it is poised to have and already having on the business and enterprise space. Our Blockchain Business Foundations course is designed for non-technical business leaders who want to learn more about this amazing technology, how it works, areas where it can deliver value, and how it can be combined with more traditional technologies such as databases or other centralized systems to really build and deliver best-of-breed solutions. Best of all, at the end of this course, you will walk away with the knowledge and the confidence to not only participate in blockchain conversations, but to lead them yourself. If any of this sounds interesting or useful to you, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and sign up, and I hope to see you in class sometime soon.